Hello and namaste everyone. Great news for those who dream of becoming a cabin crew. Flydubai is hiring right now, and this could be a golden opportunity to those who want to start their career in aviation industry. To apply in this position, following are the requirement and the process.
So, to apply for cabin crew, you need to open any browser from your mobile or from laptop. Then after in the place of website, enter Fly Dubai official website, which is mentioned in the screen and also I have given in my description also. After opening this page, you'll see all the requirement what you need to apply for cabin crew. So basically, minimum requirement are you must be at least 21 years old, minimum height of 150 cm, in accordance with our safety regulation, well groomed and professional appearance, in line with Flydubai grooming standards. No visible tattoos while in uniform. Possession of a valid passport, in a good health, with the ability to pass an aeromedical examination. Fluent in written and spoken English, proficiency in additional language is an advantage. Confident in the water when wearing a flotation aid life jacket. Willing to work irregular hours, including weekends, holidays, and overnight shifts. Enthusiastic and proactive with a position for delivering excellent service. Respectful, adaptable, and willing to work in a multicultural team environment. Must have a safety conscious attitude and ability to respond to emergencies in a calm and effective manner. Willing to relocate to Dubai. High skill diploma is essential. International aviation experience is an advantage. 1 year of experience in a customer service role, ideally in aviation, hospitality, or retail. You will receive for training bond is 9,700 for first year. After this, pay and benefits will be basic salary, housing allowance, transportation allowance will be 8,275 plus variable flying pay, average monthly pay around 4,580 dirhams based on average of 90 flying hours. For other benefit, you will receive medical insurance, end of service benefit, paid leave of 30 days per year, annual leave ticket, concessional ticket for family and friends, open-ended contract, and also you will enjoy career growth. So if you want to apply in this position, simply click on apply now. After opening this page, choose from where you want to apply. I am giving an example from UAE, so let's go for UAE Assessment Center. To apply for UAE cabin crew, just click on apply now. In this page, type your email ID and mark on I accept and click on next. After opening this page, you need to upload your CV or you can directly connect your LinkedIn account also. So for CV, I am uploading from my device. After uploading CV, you need to upload your full body picture. That should be in a formal attire. After uploading your full body picture, you need to upload your cover letter. You can simply upload from your device. After uploading cover letter, then you need to fill up all the information which are asked here. After refilling all these details, click on submit profile. In this page, you need to type all your information what they have asked. First, birthday, After refilling all this, just click on Submit.
On this page, you need to refill all the question whatever asked here.
Then finally, after refilling all these fields, click on Submit.
After submit, you will receive one confirmation mail regarding you have successfully applied for the cabin crew position. In this way, you can apply for cabin crew in Flydubai. If you find this video is useful and informative, please share with your friends. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel until now, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.